What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make any video a slow motion video in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open the video. Now after opening the video, now you can see this is a normal video. Now to make it a slow motion video, click on this edit icon and then click on this speed icon. Now from here you can make it slow or fast. So tap on slow to make a slow motion video, and now after selecting 1/2x, the video will be slowed down. So you can see this is now a slow motion video. Now after changing the time from here, tap on save, and then from the pop-up again tap on save to save changes. And after that video will become a slow motion video. So that's how you can make any video a slow motion video on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.